This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What if your Audi is not slow, but just limited? And what if right now, you're driving with settings that are literally holding your car back? No upgrades, no hardware problems, just hidden restrictions. Because here's the truth. Modern Audi cars are designed to adapt to different driving styles, comfort, efficiency, smoothness, but not always performance. And that means one thing. Your car is not always using its full potential. Let's start with something simple. Drive Select. Most drivers leave their Audi in auto or comfort mode because it feels smoother, more relaxed. But here's what actually happens. Throttle response becomes softer. Gear shifts become slower. Acceleration feels delayed. Not because the engine is weak, but because the system is limiting it. Now switch to Dynamic. Immediately, throttle becomes sharper. Gear shifts become faster. Engine response becomes more aggressive. Same car, different behavior, and suddenly, it feels faster. Now here's the important part. You didn't add horsepower. You unlocked it. Now let's go deeper. Throttle mapping. Modern cars don't give you direct control. They interpret your pedal input. In comfort mode, you get a gradual response. In dynamic mode, the same input gives you a much stronger reaction. That's why the car feels completely different. Imagine driving every day in a mode that reduces response. You get used to it. You think, this is how the car is. But it's not. It's just how it's configured. Now let's talk about transmission behavior. In non-sport modes, the gearbox shifts early to save fuel and improve comfort. That means lower RPM, less power available, slower acceleration. Switch to dynamic, and everything changes. The car holds gears longer. It reacts faster. It becomes more alive. Before we continue, quick reminder. If you want to unlock hidden performance, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Now here's the key idea. Your Audi already has performance built in, but it's hidden behind settings designed for comfort. In the next part, I'll show you the exact hidden combinations, without spending a single euro. Because once you unlock these settings, you'll never go back. Now let's go deeper, because this is where things become interesting. Most Audi drivers know about Drive Select, but almost nobody uses it correctly. Because the real power is not just in selecting dynamic, it's in customizing it. Let's start with individual mode. Inside your MMI system, you can configure engine response, transmission behavior, steering, sometimes even suspension. And this is where you create your perfect setup. Here's the mistake most people make. They either stay in comfort or go full dynamic. But full dynamic is not always the best option, because it can feel too aggressive, especially in daily driving. So here's the smarter approach. Go into individual mode. Set engine to dynamic, transmission to dynamic, steering to comfort or dynamic, your preference. This combination gives you fast throttle response, quick gear shifts, better control, without making the car uncomfortable. Now here's something almost nobody talks about, kickdown behavior. When you press the accelerator fully, the car downshifts aggressively. But in comfort or auto, this reaction is slower. In dynamic, it becomes immediate. That's why overtaking feels completely different. Same car, different reaction time. Now let's move to another hidden detail, climate system impact. Yes, even your AC affects performance. When the climate system is working at full power, it uses engine energy. This slightly reduces the overall performance of the engine. So if you want maximum responsiveness, especially during spirited driving, reducing AC load makes a difference. The difference is small, but definitely noticeable when driving. Now here's something very important, steering feel. Many drivers ignore this, but steering settings affect how connected you feel to the car. In dynamic mode, steering becomes heavier, more direct, more precise. That gives you more confidence and control. And when you feel more in control, the car feels faster. Now let's connect everything. Engine response, transmission, steering, driver input. When all these elements are aligned, your Audi transforms. Not because it has more power, but because it delivers power better. Before we continue, quick reminder. If you want to unlock hidden Audi features, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Now here's the key insight. performance is not only mechanical, it's also software. And your Audi is full of hidden software potential. In the next part, we'll combine all these settings into a simple strategy and show how to get that plus 20% feel effect consistently every time you drive. Because once you set it correctly, your car stops feeling normal and your Audi starts feeling truly alive. Now let's bring everything together and unlock the full effect. Because this is where your Audi truly changes. Not with new parts, not with expensive upgrades, but with the right setup. If you follow what we've covered so far, you're already ahead of most drivers. But here's the difference between a small improvement and a real transformation. Consistency. Because setting your car once is not enough. You need to understand when and how to use these configurations. Let's build a simple strategy. Step 1. Daily driving. Use individual mode. Engine in dynamic. Transmission in dynamic. Steering adjusted to your comfort. This gives you a perfect balance. Fast response, smooth driving, no unnecessary stress. Now step 2. When you want performance, switch fully into dynamic mode. Immediately, throttle becomes sharper, gear shifts become more aggressive, the car reacts faster. And this is where the plus 20% feel comes from. Not real horsepower, but perceived performance. And perception is everything when you drive. Now step 3, driving awareness. Because even with the best settings, how you use the car matters. Smooth throttle input, correct timing, and understanding how your car reacts will amplify everything. Now here's the key connection. Your Audi is already engineered to perform, but it's limited by default settings. When you remove those limits, the car becomes more responsive, more engaging, more enjoyable. And this is where most drivers get surprised, because they think they need modifications. But they don't. They just need to unlock what's already there. Now let's talk about real results. When you apply everything correctly, you can realistically achieve up to plus 20% better driving feel, faster reaction time, more immediate acceleration sensation, and most importantly, a completely different driving experience. Same car, new behavior. Before we finish, remember this. If you want more hidden settings and ways to get the most out of your Audi, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Because once you understand this, you stop driving your Audi like everyone else, and you start driving it the right way. Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.